Welcome to week 31 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. Your body and mind are both getting ready for the baby's arrival. Can you believe all 5 of baby's senses are fully developed at 31 weeks pregnant? Baby is also getting smarter. In the meantime, you might actually feel a little dumb. Your baby's development at week 31. At 31 weeks pregnant, baby is as big as a bunch of asparagus. Baby is about 16.2 inches long and weighs about 3.3 pounds. Baby is getting so big, they are probably crowding your lungs, which is why you might find yourself winded on a normal walk up the stairs. Baby's eyes can now perceive light with fully functioning irises that dilate and contract. And those ears, though tiny, not only can hear, they can also distinguish sounds. Studies show that fetal heart rates actually speed up and slow down in response to different music. And he also sniffs, getting a sense of your scent from the amniotic fluid that passes through his nasal passages. Once he emerges, those first real inhalations of air will take in your special mommy aroma. He is also exploring with his new senses, playing with his nose, toes, umbilical cord, and your uterine wall to hone his sense of touch, and by opening his little mouth and tasting and sucking his thumb. Your baby's brain connections are developing at a rapid pace, which is good thing since he has to make billions of them. Your baby is a drowsy one, putting in longer stretches of snooze time, specifically REM sleep. If you want to wake him up, eat or drink something sugary. Your brainy baby can already process information and pick up signals from all 5 senses. The sonograph this week shows that your baby's heart beats around 120 to 160 beats per minute. Your common symptoms this week. Some of the symptoms which you may experience during this week might include: number 1, bloating. Bloating may be one of your most frequent and least charming pregnancy symptoms. While progesterone is essential for maintaining a healthy pregnancy, it also triggers the delightful trial that includes bloating, burping, and passing gas. Progesterone causes the smooth muscle tissues in your body to slow down and relax. This also leads to bloating and passing gas. Number 2, round ligament pains. Your uterus is supported by thick bands of ligaments that run from the groin up the side of the abdomen. As your uterus grows, the supporting ligaments stretch and thin out to accommodate the increasing weight, which pulls on the ligaments and causes sharp pains and dull aches in the lower abdomen. Number 3, clumsiness. Clumsiness is a temporary side effect of pregnancy caused by several factors such as your belly is throwing you off, your hormones are playing tricks on you, you are exhausted, as pregnancy fatigue can make it easier to trip when you are too tired to notice the box your partner left in the middle of the living room floor, and you're forgetful. Pregnancy brain can also make it likely that not only you will forget where you left the keys, but when you actually find them, you'll keep dropping them. So here are some self-care tips during this week. Some of the self-care tips which you should follow during this week might include: number 1, preventing bloating. Some of the tips to reduce bloating during pregnancy include: drink plenty of water, which helps to keep things moving through your digestive system to avoid constipation. Eating plenty of fiber is another way to curb pregnancy constipation, including leafy green vegetables, legumes, whole grains, etc. Opt for smaller meals rather than big meals. Try to relax and cut back on the beans. Number 2, preventing round ligament pains. You can take a few steps to reduce round ligament pain, such as: kick up your feet if you have swollen feet and ankles. Wear a belly band or belly belt below up your bump to ease the pain. Avoid sudden movements that cause the pain in the first place. Decrease the intensity of your workouts if the pain really bothers you when you are exercising. Number 3, preventing clumsiness. Although clumsiness can make simple day-to-day tasks together, most pregnancy clumsiness is little more than an annoyance. A few tips are: proceed with care and try to have a sense of humor. Remember that clumsiness is a temporary sign and it will fade after you give birth. So in the nutshell, here is your week 31 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Continue drinking about 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. Continue doing your Kegel exercises daily. Reach out to a lactational professional and moms to learn more about feeding options and support. Empty your bladder when you feel like peeing. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, The Voice of Woman, and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.